Hi everyone, and I'm back. So I was sick during the I was sick. So I was here on 2 weeks ago. Yeah. So as I wish, I'm back. So before I do that, anyway, here is the big screw. Alright, here is the big screwdriver, a black and yellow screwdriver. Yep. Yeah, that's a black and yellow screwdriver. That's another one. Look, have a look. So, yeah. Okay, so it's a little jumpy. Yeah. Well, now let's go see how my 2-year-old's and dad. Yeah. Talking about it. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Yep. Alright, hold on. Hi, Liam.
Hi.
Yep. Hi, Lana.
Hi.
Yep. So as I wish. So, yeah. I'll be right back. Okay? Alright, now we're ready to do push-ups. Let's do 10 push-ups. This is 5 push-ups in 3 sets. Alright, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set 3, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm tired. Ooh, I'm very tired, so that's better. Well, that's it. Give this video a thumbs up in the comments down below. Subscribe. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye. So long.